We have hundreds of thousands of dollars in cashier's checks on us. And we're heading to a foreclosure auction to bid on a sweet property. We saw it about a month ago when it was still listed as a short sale. It didn't sell, and now it's up at a foreclosure auction. I love the neighborhood.
All the houses look nice, nice paint, good landscaping. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a little over 2,000 square feet. Homes have to be well above 500, right?
Oh yeah, I ran them earlier. They were 500, 510. We could probably even get 515 for this place.
This could be a great buy.
Yeah, what do you think?
I love the area.
Max bid, what do you think?
415, 420. And if we do get it for 415, oh my God, we can make a killing.
Here it is.
Gates open. That's
Exciting
new.
moment. Doors open.
Interesting.
Hello.
Hey, look, this is totally busted. Ew, oh my God, it smells so bad. What is that? Oh my God, what is that smell?
Holy crap. You've got to be kidding me.
Oh my God.
Every window's broken. Ruined the carpet, cut the blinds, hammered the floor. The house is ruined. What is wrong with people that would actually do this to somebody else? I have no idea how long it's gonna take and how much it's gonna cost to fix this damage.
Oh my God, it just
Windows.
smells disgusting in here. I can't even describe the rancid odor in here. Oh my God, that whole kitchen's covered with glass.
Wow, guys, this is a nice one.
This is horrible.
What happened here?
They broke every single window in the house. They sliced all the curtains. How did the neighbors or someone not call the police? I can't even imagine how loud this was. What is that, bleach?
I don't know what it is.
They took hammer to the floor. Tell me we can match it. It's real wood.
Dude, yeah, no. This floor is done. Look at the carpet. That is nasty.
What is that?
What now?
Concrete in the toilet.
What does that mean?
The plumbing is got to be repaired, and this is
How
on
much
a
does that
concrete.
cost?
So this is going to cost a lot.
What do we have to do?
We got to jackhammer up the foundation.
This is. Dude, they put food all over the walls. You gotta be kidding me.
At least they left you some soap. Clean it up with. Well, we got the same problem in here, guys.
What?
Again?
Dude, concrete in the
Upstairs?
toilet and the bathtub. Yeah, look at this. Dude, look, it's like rock hard in here. Dude, this is bad. This is way bad. Hit it, man. The door's already broken. There you go. There you go.
Again.
Dude, we're lucky. This is an overflow, man. We got a lot of plumbing
Dude,
issues.
I'm gonna freak out.
This is major money.
Dude, there's 25 to 30 grand, man. This is bad.
25 to 30 grand just to fix this damage? That puts us at 460,000. That's not even including upgrading the kitchens and baths. If we lose money on this house, our flipping business will go under, and Christina and I will have to figure something else out to support our family.
What do you want to do?
I'm making a decision. The whole idea of this house is to clean it up.
Okay.
We want to make it look clean.
Cleaning, that's it.
Minimal.
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 I think if we actually spent some money and updated this kitchen, we would get a ton more buyers and people would pay more money for the house. Some granite, stainless steel appliances, maybe stain the cabinets. Look around at the area. I think buyers would pay more if they walked in and it was totally dialed nice.
Yeah, but you're not understanding. If we did the nice updating, there's still damage on top of the updating.
We're still gonna get our money
So
back
what we're
if we
gonna do is
update.
we're gonna put minimal into it, sell it quick, price it low, and get out of this house and move on. After looking at the comps again, Christina's right. The only way to sell this house for a competitive price is to upgrade the kitchen and bathrooms to the level that's expected in this neighborhood. This is gonna put the rehab over budget, but it's a risk we have to take. Ooh, tile. You guys did the diamonds, right?
Diamonds, yeah. How's
Oh,
that
it
look?
looks so much better laid like a diamond.
This is the first time we've done it like
Looks
this.
so much fancier.
Floor
Floors
drain,
look awesome. Nice
baseboard.
choice.
I was able to save your huge bathtub. We got the majority of the tile up in here.
We're doing a ceramic base tile with some glass mosaic tile accents to add some style to the bathroom. But we're still staying in a neutral color palette that appeals to most buyers. Looks
The mosaic's
so
in, it looks good.
Looks beautiful.
We got your vanity set.
Looks
get the
way
mirror
better.
set.
It was so nasty
It looks
before.
so totally different.
It's coming together. I think this house is gonna be awesome.
If we do some really cool lighting up there, a cool beveled edge medicine cabinet, the square sinks with the cool chrome faucet.
All right.
Cool. Nice work.
Thank you.
How many more days till we're done, you think?
You know, realistically, guys, with the fine tuning we have, we probably have 4 or 5 more days here.
4 or 5 more days. The house has been on the market for a couple of weeks, and today is our first open house. We listed it at $550,000. It's been a long, bumpy road turning this vandalized foreclosure into a beautiful family home. And we really hope we can sell it for a profit.
I love that white gate too with the little red flowers.
Probably well taken care of. If you take care of your lawn, then you're probably taking good care of your house.
Yeah.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi, good, how are you?
So it's 2,025 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and it's been completely redone.
Hello.
Welcome. Hi.
All right, here's a card and a flyer.
Great, here's the info on it.
All the appliances. I can't believe what's happening. I have never had this many people through within the first hour. I'm super excited. Everybody loves it, so I'm hoping we sell it today. That would be amazing. If they only knew what a disgusting place this was when we bought it.
Oh, I love the windows back here.
This is so nice.
I
the
like
view of the
this.
backyard. Windows are all really nice. I like how you can see the backyard from the kitchen. All new appliances?
All new appliances. Pretty much every single thing in this house is brand new.
Okay.
What do you think of the kitchen?
It's gorgeous.
I love all the updated fixtures, and the kitchen is really nice. The granite countertops and the dark wood is beautiful.
3/4 bath?
Yeah,
Okay. It's a nice size.
it is.
That's one of the nicest ones we've seen, isn't it?
It is.
I love the floors, the dark floors.
Yeah. Are these real hardwood floors?
These are actually laminate, but they're 12mm laminate, which means they're thicker, so they appear to
They're
be
like
real
the
hardwood.
distressed looking, so it kind of appears
Right.
like hardwood.
And I like the texture on that too. Beautiful.
Isn't it gorgeous?
They did a good job in here.
Look at all the detail in the shower.
Yeah, it's great.
Oh, wow.
I like how it's open and
Oh, the sunlight.
yeah,
I like the double sinks.
that's good.
I love how open it is.
I bet you like the chandelier.
I
Huh?
love the sparkles.
is that the selling point?
Yeah, I'll take the house just for the chandelier.
I'm a home inspector, so when we look at houses, I definitely try to pick them apart inside and out. And this one looked really good. Structurally, it's great. I didn't see any issues with it, and I definitely think we can make it our own.
I really like it. Definitely my favorite by far.
This is a very desirable area. We have a lot of buyers that are looking in this area because there's good schools, you have easy access to the freeways, and it's very family oriented. Well, good news. My clients love the home.
Great.
So we are prepared to come in with a full price offer.
This is exciting. This is our first full price offer at $550,000, but now it's time to see if we can negotiate that price a bit higher.
You want to tell her 560? That would be the absolute lowest I think we should take.
Okay, fine. 560?
Yeah.
All right, I'll tell her. Okay, we'll do 560.
560.
560, we'll take it off the market today. Done.
I don't think this is a bad deal. There's another home, same floor plan on the market, 585. Okay. All right. They want to go for it. We're good.